You know one thing that actually pisses me off, that probably pisses everybody off? I think we all have that one friend, that one fucking person that records a video. They'll be showing you, let's say they go to a hotel room and they're showing you the room, right? But this is them showing you the room, right? But all you hear is fucking breathing. Can't you take a damn fucking video without me hearing all that damn breathing, please? Or listen to your freaking, watch your videos back. Listen to that.